more 300 crores for the road widening so that the old city also comes up on par with new cities, sir. Old city, the real pearl city, I would say. Pearl city, the real city. The old city has been neglected, sir. I hope that this would be taken care. At the same time, I would like to thank the previous government and in particular Mr. K.T. Ramarao Sahab for bringing in the Aga Khan Foundation and completing the Quli Qutub Shah tombs work, which was inaugurated yesterday. And he was kind enough for giving the approval, and Aga Khan Foundation has accepted to take up the work of the Paiga tombs in Old City. So that was also represented, and my learned friend, the then K.T. Ramarao Sahib, had agreed. So in this house, I think it is my responsibility that I thank the Aga Khan Foundation for taking up the Quli Qutub Shah work. I thank the Aga Khan Foundation for taking up the Quli Qutub Shah tombs work. And I thank them for also accepting our proposal of taking up the Paiga tombs, sir. And they have made it, the tombs, they have revived the glory, the lost glory, I would say, of the tombs once again. It's looking so beautiful. And also, through you, I request that we should pursue that. We get a World Heritage tag for the tombs, sir. If we succeed in getting that, it will bring in the tourism. It will bring in the tourism to our city of Hyderabad, sir. Sir, at the same time, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, you might have heard and you are aware that कि मैं अपने जानिब से मुतालिबा किया था उस वक्त की हुकूमत को और केटी रामाराव साहब को भी कि शेख पेट से लेकर टूम्स तक, गोलकुंडा फोर्ट तक, लेट अस रन अ ट्रैम्प. टूरिस्ट इंप्रूव होगा. और फिर वहां पर एक और जमीन है निजाम ट्रस्ट की, वो जमीन को निजाम ट्रस्ट से लेकर जो टूरिस्ट गोलकुंडा फोर्ट को देखने आ रहा है, हम उसको डेवलप कर सकते हैं. वहां पे एक लाड़ बाजार बक्के जैसा एक बाजार बना सकते हैं, सो दैट द टूरिस्ट कमिंग टू गोलकुंडा फोर्ट नीड नॉट गो टू लाड़ बाजार, दे गेट अ स्मॉल मिनी लाड़ बाजार इन दैट एरिया. गोलकुंडा फोर्ट के पास एक जमीन है, उसका भी प्रपोजल बना है, लैंड एक्विजिशन हो चुका है और